Did you know a religious reformer died with both a Bible and sword in his hands? Huldrych Zwingli was Switzerland's most powerful Protestant leader in the early 1500s. His revolutionary ideas had sparked religious uprisings across German-speaking Europe. But in 1531, Catholic and Protestant cantons were heading toward war. When Zurich's army marched to battle at Kappel, Zwingli went with them as chaplain. He carried scripture to comfort the wounded and dying. But as the battle raged, Protestant forces began to crumble. Catholic troops were overwhelming Zurich's soldiers on all sides. In that desperate moment, Zwingli made a shocking choice. He dropped his chaplain role, grabbed a weapon, and charged into combat. The reformer who preached with words now fought with steel. Catholic soldiers struck him down when they discovered who he was. His death became a symbol of the religious wars that would tear Europe apart for the next century. A man of God who died as a warrior?